Hello everyone and welcome to another Chart of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 22nd of December around 10:50 p.m. Eastern Times, and here we go with another Chart of the Day video. The Chart of the Day is a session within Elliott Wave Forecast in which every day and in elliottwaveforecast.com we post a chart. We do show the charts to the followers around the world besides the members, and we also do a short-term video explaining the instrument. Today is gonna be gold. Gold is in the process of ending a 5 weeks advance. This is a 5 weeks advance in the Elliott Wave theory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes 1 week parenthesis, a different degree. Then 3 weeks back, another 5 makes 3 with parentheses, 4 and a 5, and then a higher degree. So it's a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 backs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a sequence that never ends. So gold from the lows in the 4-hour here, which happens to be on October the 28th, gold did 1 and irregular in the middle, 3, 4, and 5 with an extended wave 5. Then it did a 3 weeks pullback. It did another 5 weeks here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's in the process, it seems to be in the process of a wave 5 within the cycle from October the 28th. So gold should be extending higher, and most likely it should be looking for a target that it can see around right here at the 45, 43, 46, 42 area from where gold should do a pullback. The shortest cycles here in gold from the wave 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's what we call a triple nest, a series of 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then today, same yesterday, we seeing the acceleration higher, right? And now gold, it needs to do the same way that it did a triple nest in a series of 1, 2, 1, 2. Now it needs to do a series of 4, 5, 4, 5 to resolve the highest degree time frame. So shortest cycles, what we like in gold is a series of pullback. Maybe we're starting already the wave 4 in red with the target in gold that is gonna take it to 45, 43, in which we're gonna reach the 618 of the extension on 1, 2, 3 to complete this cycle. Again, we don't like to sell gold in any way, some form. And gold, it should be should be trading higher after this pullback, but a pullback can be in the cards within the next 2 weeks. That it will represent another buying opportunity. Don't be fooled. Gold is gonna reach the 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 area in the next years or so. So I don't like selling gold. I only like buying gold in 3 weeks pullback, and the path seems to be right now that it's gonna extend higher, looking for a peak in the next 2 weeks in a series of 4 and 5. So that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you guys around. And if you like it, please visit us. Right here, we have a very nice end of the year promotion, more than a month worth of membership free. Join us and start the year. We did over 140% return to the money in our live trading session. So have a nice day, everyone. Enjoy the rest of the night. See you guys around. Have a good day, everyone. A good night, everyone.